Hey guys, okay, so those of you who know me, I am one about correcting when I screw up. I did a few things wrong. I was talking to you guys about my arm progress, and then I'm wearing this called Sabo Stretch, and it is a kind of a splint type of a thing that straps your hand in and keeps your fingers extended so that my fingers can learn to be like strong again and outward again the way it's supposed to be naturally. And so you wear this approximately a few hours a day. And so there were some things that I wasn't doing right, and I wanted to cover it really quick. The first thing is like your middle finger has to be right up near the top. That's the best way to do is line your middle finger, try and touch the edge. My hand slipped just a little bit, but I'm right at the top. Okay. That's how you know your hand's in far enough. The other thing I did wrong was right here, there's a specific, I didn't even see it. There's a specific strap for your pinky, and that's to keep it pulled away a little bit, keep the muscles more natural in your hand while you're wearing it. So you got to put the pinky strap on. I didn't have that. And one of the best tips they told me was strap this diagonally because this is the part of my hand that wants to bend and makes these fingers slip out. So when you go diagonally like this and you strap diagonally, let me move back a little bit. You strap diagonally, okay? And then you velcro it right between the thumb and the hand. Come right through this area, okay? And when you go diagonally, it's 10 times better. It's easier. Then you get the major straps here that keep everything in place and attached to your arm. So I wear this every day faithfully. The doctor has been great with me on teaching me all the tips, making sure that my middle finger is up at the top here, making sure my pinky strapped, making sure I have this properly, keeping my hand from bending up and wanting to curl. So this has been, I've seen a difference when it's not on. So this is working. This is called Sabo Stretch. And this is working. And I just wanted to give you a quick update on where I screwed up the first time I did a video, giving you an update on my arm. And so I'm pretty happy about it. And everything's cool. I can move it around. It keeps it in place. It feels good. It feels natural. So anyway, that is the update on the Sabo Stretch. I did get the new, we have a few more things we're going to show you. Where do you see the mirror box? The mirror box blows my mind. I've never heard of this technology before. Um, they sent me a mirror box. I'll be showing you in another video. They sent me a glove that will put electricity through my hand and stimulate the connectivity to my brain. I'll show you that too. I'm just going to keep you guys updated on everything because I can't thank Sabo enough for stepping up and helping me. I really appreciate it, guys. The doctor has been, Dr. Scott has been amazing. Great guy. So anyway, the company's called Sabo, and it's Saebo. And this is the first step. So we'll move on to the next step on my next video. Okay. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.